Toe hierdie projek begin, die restaurasie het in ek dink 2022, ek het gegroei. En ons het so lief geraak vir plante.
Some of the main challenges were the relationship that the people had with the environment. Even though many of the people within the project actually come from this area, they were disconnected. Their sense of why they were doing the work was also, it's a job. You know, it's a job, we get paid, we get here, we do it. So some of the aspects of the training that we did included all the stages of active restoration. So we started at the beginning with observing the natural environment and identifying ecology and ecosystems. Then we teach the implementation, the planting side, and then we do it practically as well in the field. We really focused within this project to build relationship again. It really is about connecting to the plant on an emotional level.
Ek moet sê die impak wat die restaurasie vir ons gebring het is vir die feit dat ons soveel plante kon aanleer. So ons is hier om die inheemse plante te beskerm. Altyd met soveel liefde.